OpenKM is a document management software that allows you to quickly and intuitively share and manage the information generated in your company. Organizations produce reams of documents, images, and other information in paper or electronic format, and locating this information is a time-consuming task. Today, we cannot afford to waste time looking for information that we already have in our entities, and we need time to continue our work. But what usually happens to us when we search is that we do not find that specific document, or there are previous versions of it. We must add that users usually save documents according to their criteria. Nobody knows what information is in the whole company and what information is needed. We do not know if the document we are looking for is on our hard drive or our colleagues, attached to an email or on the intranet, or a CD or USB stored in a drawer. But we are sure of one thing: we have it. It must be somewhere. The laborious task of finding a document by the traditional method is very high and affects our company's costs, although many are unaware of it. Several studies indicate that it takes an employee 4 minutes to find a document using the traditional method, compared to the 30 seconds if we're using a document management system. Thus, professionals who base their work or knowledge lose some 500 hours of work a year, 30% of their time searching and filing, without adding value to the organization. We have assumed that there is no problem searching and finding a document, but it is not. Studies estimate the cost of finding a poorly classified document at $120, and experts add that 25% of stored documents are never found because they are incorrectly filed. This is already a high cost. How much when a record is never found? How much time does an employee spend before they quit? What if the document is essential? OpenKM helps reduce the risk of loss and avoids regenerating the document to carry out work or acquire new knowledge. It is a cross-platform software, quick to install, friendly, and with a fast learning curve thanks to OpenKM Academy. OpenKM has no technological limitation to integrate with third-party applications, collect data from any digital source, etc. Support for iPhone and Android. Collaborate with colleagues on projects and documents. OpenKM allows the organization to share and work together on project and work groups. Help companies to capitalize on accumulated knowledge through the location of documents, experts, and sources of information. Unlike other solutions, OpenKM's bottom-up approach creates intellectual capital, both explicit and implicit, as a natural byproduct of personal activity and teamwork. Turns information into valuable intellectual capital and a valuable asset for the company. OpenKM helps organizations harness the full potential of business knowledge with a single click, increases business and work group productivity through shared practices, higher profitability, better customer relations, faster sales cycles and product launches to market, and improved decision making.